you ever want to do another advanced maker, we can absolutely do it.
Everyone is like my dentist, my doctor, Teresa. She's always saying, hey, I'm looking forward to a new advanced maker. And I'm like, yeah. She's like, what are you going to do next? I'm like, I'm not really sure. Because I don't know if I'm ever going to make one again, like, soon.
Think of a project you want to make, and we'll plan it out. I think because you're getting older now, we can like plan stuff. When you were little, it was like we could just like make a star, and it was like fun for you. But now that you're older, I feel like we need to do a little more planning.
Like guitars.
Yeah, well that was kind of probably too big of a project, but you did really good on that.
Wait till I turn close for that one.
What do you think of this color?
I like it.
A little bright for me. I don't like staining stuff too much, but this is like kind of a concept instrument, so it should look pretty cool when it's done.
Yeah. It's all like light.
That's a bass I built for a client. He was looking for a short scale bass that had the Flash theme to it.
hence the red and the yellow and the lightning bolts and whatnot. And I really enjoyed designing it. I had a lot of fun doing it. I had so much fun doing it, I had to make another one while I was at it. So the idea with this is it's a 23.5 inch scale, which is substantially shorter than most short scale bases that are around 30 inches. Now me personally, I used to play one of these at about 42 inches, and I also dabbled in one of these at around 34 inches, but I've always liked short scale bases. But this is like a totally new thing. It's like exploring this world that I'm familiar with, but it's like the bizarro alternate universe world of it, so it's kind of fun. Now the strings that are on this are designed for a 30-inch scale bass, like a regular short scale bass, and they are, when tuned to EADG, they're a little bit loose and slack. I didn't see a good string solution out there for these, and if anybody has any suggestions, I'd love to hear them, because I want to see if I can do a little better than this. But then what I found is if I tune the instrument up to G, C, F, B flat, it plays great, just like a normal bass, all the tension's proper. But it is usable tuned regularly. You just need a little bit of a lighter touch, which is, again, interesting and puts it into that sort of bizarro world of playing this mini bass. I hope you found this interesting. I'd love to hear your comments below. Thanks a lot, and be good. Oh, by the way, all the music that you heard in this video was made with one of these.